Sperm is tiny cells created by the male reproductive organs that is made mostly of water, plasma and mucus. It also contains 5 to 25 calories and is made up of small amounts of essential nutrients including calcium. Males produce millions of these cells each day, yet it takes only one to fertilize an egg and create life. Is human sperm visible? Yes, but only if you're looking through a microscope. Sperm are tiny, like really tiny. Scientists can typically identify the following 3 parts when studying a sperm cell under a microscope. The sperm head contains chromatin, which is the DNA material that makes up chromosomes. Typically, both the human sperm cell and the human egg cell each contain 23 chromosomes. When the sperm and egg combine, this results in an embryo cell with 46 chromosomes. Covering the head of the sperm is a cap called an acrosome. The acrosome contains enzymes that help the sperm penetrate the outer shell of an egg. The head shape is important because it can affect the sperm's ability to penetrate the outer surface of a woman's egg to fertilize it. The midsection of the sperm contains energy-producing mitochondria. These specialized structures provide the energy necessary for the sperm cell to move. The sperm tail is the most complicated structure with more than 1,000 proteins involved in its function. Scientists over 300 years ago described sperm tails sway in a symmetric pattern, like that mistake. With the advent of 3-dimensional microscopes, most recent studies have shown that sperms move by spinning rather than swimming. The sperm almost seem to be drilling into the surrounding fluid. The new 3D measurements are a big step forward in understanding sperm movement. Such research may inform the diagnosis and treatment of human infertility. What is sperm morphology? Sperm morphology refers to the shape of the sperm, which includes head size and head DNA content, the mid-piece appearance, and the structure of the tail. Sperm can be misshaped based on the size of the head having an extra head and having no head or tail. Other sperm defects include the bent tail, coiled tail, stump tail, and not having the tail attached at the correct location. Teratospermia is in the concentration of abnormal sperms in the man's semen. This condition is diagnosed when sperm with abnormal morphology exceed 96% of a man's total sperm sample. Morphology can affect fertility directly because sperm need a certain shape to travel to the egg and to be able to penetrate the outer layers of the egg. Most men with abnormal sperm morphology are still able to father a child, but achieving pregnancy may take longer or require assistance from a fertility specialist.